hitting the natural bridge with Missy and Sierra and Mark on our motorcycles. Should be a fun time. Let's hope no crazy drivers come out and run us over and run us down. Tunnel! Must be a car coming. You ever been through here? Turn around there and film them. Out here partying at Natural Bridge. Beautiful, beautiful place to ride. It's too bad all you have jobs. Or you could have fun with us.
Oh, don't lose your camera.
I won't. Oh, look at that bird. He's flying. Too bad, like I was telling him, I usually take a paper airplane and throw it off. See how far I am.
Hey,
what's going on, man?
Evergreens.
Oh, you're cheating.
I could lie to everybody, tell them I had the camera in my hand.
I don't want to get close to the edge, so I'll put the camera on a stick.
Yep, yep. Have you guys been out on the Natural Bridge up that way?
Not yet.
It's even better. It's really cool. You can walk out over it.
Which way is it?
Just keep going on down that way. Or it's a.
I want to go to the fair tomorrow. I want to go to the fair. You can go to the fair.
Mark's bike. Let's see. So I don't forget, it's called Pumpkin Bottom Campground. Out here at Natural Bridge. It's literally a rock bridge that goes over a huge, huge valley. People go whitewater rafting and everything out here.
No, you can't be.
I'm scared of heights. I overcome my fear.
Oh, see, you're freaking me out. Stop freaking
me out. Slip. Well.
I've got a good picture of Kiera. Where are you? She's down there. And she acted like she was falling off. It looks like she's falling
because don't you
stairs
walk right down here to go down?
It's down here.
Yeah, there's the trail. Okay.
Yeah, there's a stairwell down here. And then that takes you down and around. And I had to carry you on my back down there and up those stairs. You're a heavy little bit.
I wonder if this is defacing a natural monument. With everybody putting their name on it.
I don't know. I'd say they'd have to carve for a while just to get it. Very cool place. Last. We're all wrapping it up back at Missy's house. We had a good time at Natural Bridge. Now I'm gonna go drink some natural ice. No, actually I'm gonna drink some unnatural whiskey.